Hey, and welcome to a Touken Ranbu meeting video. Finally, I actually got a couple of requests to do this, so hey, let's get this meeting. So let's just get into it. I actually have a couple of tokens. I thought I didn't have any, but I guess I've been grinding in my sleep because I do not remember when the hell to get them. Anyway, so our target today is to get the new limited sword. Hold on. Okay, his name is DAIHANNYA Nagamitsu, right? DAIHANNYA? Let's check out the translation for this.
DAIHANNYA NAGAMITSU.
I like the English translation, saying Dai-chan or Nagamita. Let's actually call him Dai-chan. Yes, he's a Taichi sword, and I do not need Taichi swords, but listen up. He looks so glorious, so I really want him. So there's been a hint they gave out that 800 would be the way to go, so let's do that. Oh wait, Alright, should we use... let's just do it. Let's use this one. I forgot their names, so you know. Well, let's go. Do we get him on first try? Dai-chan, you there? Nope. God. I wish I would remember their names, but I do not. I'm not going to lie. Guys, I do not remember their names. Alright, let's do it again. Give me that, boy. Give us Dai-chan. People are going to people. Oh, hey! Yoroshikune! Yoroshikune, whatever. Does that stamp mean that it's new? Because I'm pretty sure this is new. I'm going to find out your name. Hold your butts. Uguizumaru. Yes. I did not know that you can actually smith him, so I'm fine with this. Welcome. Let's actually just put one on and let's check the time, because that's always so funny. Wow. Hold up. I don't actually know that what his time is, but that seems... I mean, it's not... Are Taichis that long? I feel like this is like a Yari sword or something like that. Let's check it out. I'm excited. Who is it? Oh! It is a Taichi sword. Well, I do have you. You're also really glorious. I don't remember your name either. I wish I would remember all the like 300 characters that are in this game, but I do not. Well, anyways, that was interesting. I should probably find out that how long does it take for to craft him, and that's not him. That's a Uchi Katana, and we're not going to even open that up. I mean, he is up, right? Like, I'm trying to, like, it is... They did have an update, so he should be in here. Right? Dai-chan, come home. Come on. Oh, 3 hours! Yeah, I have no idea what's the hours for him, but... Alright, oops. There we go. Come on! Come on! Oh! Hey, best boy! Shishio! Darling. Oh, he's so cute. I love you, Osaka Ryota! Well, Shishio? I'm actually tearing up a little bit. Oh, fucking god. getting swords I don't want. Ooh, 3. Okay. Shishio, if you appear again, you're not my best boy anymore. That's a lie, he's still my best boy even if he just come home again. Oh. Alright. I thought you were supposed to be a tsundere. Why do you keep coming? Another 3 hour, but I'm scared that it's I think it's going to be another that it's not going to be him. I forgot his name. Dai-chan. People are going to be so angry about me saying calling him Dai-chan, but hey. Yes. No. Let's just keep going. Come on, come on, come on. Throw those materials into use. Yes. Oh fuck, do I have... Oh, I don't have space. Goodbye, boys. Let's check who's behind here. Okay, come on, come on, come on, come on. Dai-chan. God damn it. Alright, do not give me another Uchikatana. Listen to me. Do not give do not give me an Uchikatana. Please, I beg of you, do not give me an Uchikatana. Thanks. Let's go. Ooh, I didn't like that, the way he threw the rock. But it's not an Uchikatana, so I don't know. Maybe I'm just a dumbass. Let's see. Die. Oh fuck, they lagged a little bit. No! Kane-san! Kane-san! Lisa, keep your promise, you fucker. Ah! Yes, now, please. Oh, come on, come on. No, don't Tanuki, stay in place. Fuck, and this is going to be Uchikatana. Oh fuck, this is the last one. Okay. This is the last try because I don't have enough of the stone, so... Or whatever the fuck that was called, but... Dai-chan! Let's go! No! Oh my god! Lion boy! Stop it! I'm like... Do I get some materials from here? Oh fuck, I can actually gas. Good. Give me the materials. Yes. I can do one more. That is kind of funny. Okay. Come on, we're not even going to look at the time. We're just going all in. Yes. Please. At least let one of my smithing videos be a good one. Oh man, do I love this. Just so that you know, you let me down. You let me down real hard.